Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create an AI art progress video using Midjourney. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to do is to ensure that you are using the Midjourney version 3 because what we're going to do will not work. So we're going to go to the settings, click on enter, and then you're going to make sure that you are using the version 3. And then you're going to do imagine, then think of a topic, for example, light bulb, and then we're going to do dash dash video and click on enter. And as you can see, it's going to accept our prompt and we're going to simply wait for a few seconds for it to produce. It will take longer than usual. It would take longer than the version 5 and the version 5.1 because this is an older version of our Midjourney. So we're going to give it some time. And there we go. We have our design over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to upscale one of this. We're going to upscale the first one because I like the first one the most. And we're simply going to give it some time once again. And there we go. We have our artwork over here. What we're going to do now is we're going to add a reaction. And then you're going to search for the reaction envelope. Click on this envelope over here. And just like that. And Midjourney will send you a direct message over here on the left side. And it will send you the video version of your artwork over here. And as you can see, this is the progression. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.